And with me right now from the Tea Party Sentinels is Richard Palmer. And coming up on the 23rd of September, that is not this Monday coming up, but a week from this Monday, right? Do I have my dates right? Yes, I do. I'm trying to think, are we that much into September yet? But your meeting will be taking place, and you're going to have a very interesting speaker this time.
She is really something special, I'll tell you. When I met her, I couldn't believe it. She is on fire, and she's really going to try her heart out to get into the Assembly in the 74th District.
Yeah, and this is Kelly Embry, and she is with the DA's office.
Yes, she
right
is.
Here in Orange County.
And she's been fighting for the average person. I mean, she's just incredible. I couldn't believe how positive she is. And but she's involved in so many different activities, both legal and all the illegal stuff going on.
Right.
So she is a real dynamo.
Yeah, it seems like, you know, obviously she's with the DA's office, so she's very busy with that, of course, but, you know, dealing with all kinds of different cases and such. But, you know, as you sent me some notes here, she's been protecting consumers against false advertising and illegal business practices and all kinds of different things, right?
Yeah, but I'm glad she's involved with the opioid disbursement here in Orange County. That's really a big threat to our whole society. Right. And so she doesn't fall back and let things go. She's on the forefront all the time. So she's perfect for representing Orange County.
Right.
So I figure, where did she get all her fighting activity and everything? Well, she's an offspring from 2 Navy veterans. So she learned to have deep respect for people that are protecting our freedoms. And I don't know, she just has so much passion to help people.
Right.
Now, she accomplished a lot with the DA's office, but before that, she was in a private practice.
Okay.
And as a litigator, and she continued the same thing. She did a lot of pro bono stuff. She was helping disadvantaged communities and people. I mean, she just doesn't quit.
Yeah. So
she has a drive that I just love, and respect. I mean, she's just. I mean, when you meet her, you can just feel the energy coming off her. Yeah. It's just amazing.
And she is going to be running for the California Assembly, correct?
Right, yeah.
Has she announced her candidacy yet? I guess we're right about there. Yeah, okay.
No, she has. Right. That's how I met her.
Okay. So she'll be talking about that as well.
Oh, yeah. She's, I mean, you know, we don't need somebody who's going to sit back and take advantage of their position. I mean, she's out there to fight for the rights for people in Orange County. And that to me is really important. I think she's not going to sit back. She's going to, you know, she's up against a whole Democrat-dominated assembly. And so she's going to be fighting against all of those. And of course, against our current governor. Right. I mean, he is a piece of action that we don't need.
So when she comes to your meeting on Monday the 23rd, she's going to give a talk. People will be able to interact, ask questions, and things like that.
No, she's going to be telling why she wants to run. Okay. She's on fire to get involved in the legislature. Yeah. So I was really impressed. I mean, she's a very attractive young lady, and you think, well, you know, there's nothing hard coming out of her, but by golly, she's out there fighting for what she believes in. And that to me is all I need for our representative, you know. Right.
So again, this is September 23rd, usual Monday, and it will be at doors open at 6:30 over at Clubhouse 7, and then it happens at 7 o'clock.
Yeah, meeting starts at 7.
Starts at 7. Yeah. Okay.
So
everybody's invited, of course.
Oh yeah, they sure are. But I'm just looking forward to it because
Yeah.
I just can't, she's just so on fire for helping people.
Yeah.
I mean, and that's all she's been doing, well, in private practice and as the deputy district attorney.
Well, very good. Anybody can show up for the meeting?
Anybody, so doors are open.
Okay.
So we welcome anybody who wants to hear our next assembly member representing Laguna Woods.
All right, very good. So if you want to go, you can just show up. You don't need to do anything in advance.
No, you just come as you are. I mean,
yes.
fully clothed, of
Yes, of course. All right. Richard, thank you very much for coming on today. I appreciate seeing you.
Oh, thank you.
Like the tie? Very nice.
Oh, thank you. I would look at your tie.
All right. Very good. We're both set up for Patriots Day. We'll be back in just a moment. What's the little button?